In this video, we are going to see Base API to get transfers on the Base network. All the API links will be in the description along with BitQuery Telegram channel link. You will need to first sign up on id.bitquery.io if you haven't already. You will get free 10,000 points to test your queries just by signing up. We are going to see three APIs in this tutorial. First one is going to be subscribing to all transfers on Base. Second one is subscribing to NFT transfers on Base network. Third one is going to get us all the transfers of a particular NFT on Base network. Let's start with the first one, subscribing to all the transfers on Base. Select API v2 here, then select EVM, and then select the network as Base. Right now I'm keeping the dataset as real time. By default it's real time only if you haven't selected it. Select transfers, then select the fields you need. Right now we are not selecting any filters because we need all the transfers of the tokens on Base network. So just by selecting transfers, then transfer here, then click on amount in USD. These differently colored attributes are basically filters that you can use to filter out the data more. Amount in USD, then currency details. I'm going to select name, native, smart contract, address, and then symbol. Also select the ID here and then the receiver and sender of the token for this particular transfer. Then select the transaction here to get the transaction from address and also the transaction hash. Now change this query keyword to subscription and run this query. For subscription, we don't have to mention this dataset, otherwise it will give an error. It will definitely by default be the dataset as real time. So just run this query. Now you will see the transfers of tokens on Base network coming through. I will just stop the query because I don't want to exhaust all of my credits. Now just copy over this API to the new tab. We have copied over the API to a new tab, and let's start with the API to get real-time NFT transfers. First API was for all type of tokens. This API is specifically for the NFT transfers. Here we will select a filter using these differently colored attributes and clicking on where, then selecting transfer currency. So we'll need all NFT transfers in real time. So select currency and then select the fungible as false. That's going to be our NFT. And now run this query and you will see all the NFT transfers coming through, which are real time. I'll stop the query and now copy over this NFT API, NFT transfers API to be exact, onto a new tab. Now we will get all the transfers happened for a particular NFT address. Use where here, and in where in under currency also we will select smart contract and then is and put a address here. I am putting this NFT collection address as the example here. You can test it out with any other NFT addresses. And now to get all the old historical data for this particular NFT and their transfers, I'll just change this to query again and now run this query. You can make this data set as combine and get all the transfers happen till date, but I'm right now gonna selecting real time, which will give me the transfers for the past 15 hours or so, I guess. Now run this query. You can see the transfers coming here. If you select the dataset as combined here, you will get all the transfers happen till date since the NFT was basically created. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.